Hi, Sharks. My name is Patrick. I'm from Nashville, Tennessee, and I love potato chips. My company is called Pat Spuds, and...
Patrick, I'm out.
I'm out.
I'm out.
I'm out.
Scrub Nugget said, womp womp, cry me a river. I'm timing your ass out for a fucking month!
You proud of me? I killed 3 people.
I'm not proud of you! I'm not! I'm not proud of you! You only won one day! I'm not!
Where's my fucking money, motherfucker? Where's my fucking money, bitch?
Dan gaat godverdomme die brug dicht. En voor wat? Voor die tyfus roeiboot! Doe die masten! Homo!